We'll be back next week. I'm waiting on the deposit for the next project so that I've got enough money to finish yours. Morning. Oh, did I not tell you we're not there today? Yeah, we've double booked ourselves and your project's not really our priority. Yes, if you could just stay in here for 10 minutes. I've just damaged a bit of your flooring in there and I'm just trying to cover it up before you see it. No, you are right. An hour is normal for lunch, but we actually take 2 hours because we're not motivated. Basically, I'm just trying to cut corners wherever possible and then I can increase my profits. No, it's actually just going to take another week because, yeah, I've never really done it before. And, yeah, I just underestimated how hard it would be. Hiya, this is Jake. It's actually the first time he's worked for us, but he's really cheap. So, yeah, good luck. No, you're right, to be fair. I did overcharge you, but I didn't think you'd realise.